All right, so we changed out the screen. Good tension. Everything's in there. Nice visibility. I mean, I did it right in place. I did it right in place. The door is hitting a little bit. All right, so this is the second screen we put in here. The operation of these doors is really not good, no matter how much you adjust the screens back and forth. The homeowner was downstairs a minute ago, and the doors don't come together nice. I mean, I'm gonna put the screen in, but I don't think your problems are resolved here. These doors are huge, and I mean, I had a spreader in there keeping my distance, and this is not even tight. This one is loose. They come together terribly. The homeowner already pointed out how difficult it is to make this connection and clip it shut. It looks like somebody had duct tape before to try to hold them together. So honestly, I don't know what your solution is here, but the screen is not your only issue here. You're going to be scheduling another trip here. Yeah, my door is straight, and yeah, no, we're loose. We're actually loose, and the operation of the doors is basically horrible. I mean, if this was my doors, I'd be rightly concerned and upset also. It's just a horrible design from the start, maybe. Manufacturer issue. I tried turning the different screws to adjust it up and down. Better schedule a service call here. You need your best man to come and figure this out to get you out of this situation. All right, this is the fourth screen I put in. Did a lot of adjustments. The customer's coming now to evaluate. Okay, so after numerous adjustments, we finally got these doors to operate, and the customer seems pleased enough, but she wants these handles, rightly so, and I'll get something that fits on that and put those on. And I adjusted the doors both sides like crazy forever. I actually had to install, this is my fourth screen just to get the tension right. That's my fourth screen. I've been here for hours on a 15-minute door. But there we go. And I think you're in a good spot now with the customer as far as her being satisfied, but she wants handles on there. Okay.